Hi everyone, it's Sue. I am so excited. Summer's almost here. And today is not only the first day of my summer movie-themed collaborations, it's also the day that our stay-at-home order is supposed to be lifted here in Ontario. Woohoo! We'll see how that plays out. So I can't think of a more better reason to celebrate than that. But before we get started with all the frivolity, I am going to be kicking off all the summer fun tonight as well. I will be live hosting an online games night with you. So bring your pencils and papers and phones and computers and all that fun stuff, and we can hang out and chat and play some online games together. Sound like fun? 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live tonight, Summer Fun Games Night. So as I was saying, these movie-themed collaborations are open to everyone, and I would like all of you to try to participate. So if you have any form of creativity, whether you paint, you draw, you make jam, you tell spooky stories, you make jewelry, you tap dance, whatever it is you do, you just have to do it in the theme of the movie every week. So if you would like to participate, please check down below in the description box, because that's where all the rules are, all the hashtags that you need to have in your title so that people can find your lovely creation and which movie we're doing which week. So today's movie is the heartwarming tale of the all-American dad who just wants to take his family on a cross-country adventure to visit their very favorite theme park, Wally World. That's right, you guessed it, it's National Lampoons Vacation with Chevy Chase and Beverly D'Angelo. So you know there's got to be some mishaps along that route. So if you would like to see how that movie inspired my creativity, let's get started. According to the critics, this is supposed to be the best of the vacation movie series. I beg to differ. I like Christmas Vacation better, but this one was still fun. But where is Aunt Bethany and her re-gifted cat? And you know what happens to him. I just felt there were more iconic moments in that movie, but I still had some stuff to work with on this one. The fact that it was a road trip led me to thinking, recycled maps. So I had this picture frame from the Dollar Tree on hand, and I rooted through my map stash and found this map of Florida that I thought I could definitely reuse for some DIY projects. I had these poster stickers from the Dollar Tree on hand, as well as I printed out a lovely family picture of the Griswold family from the internet. I used a glue stick and the cardboard from the back of the picture frame and decided to cut open the map and find the best portion to use for my DIY. So I took some creative license here, as I know they went to California to visit Wally World, which is similar to Disneyland, I think, in California. But we went to Disney World in Florida, and Florida was the map that I had, so I thought that would be perfect. On a funny aside note, I know that Wally World is a fictional theme park, but that's what we affectionately call Walmart here in Canada. Too funny. So I found the portion of the map that I wanted to use, and then I glued it onto the cardboard part of my picture frame, and then just used this rotary cutter to cut off the excess and let it completely dry. Now I tried to center up my lovely family photo here and put it in the middle of the mat that I created for my picture. Aren't they a sweet family? So obviously you could recreate this mat and put your own family photos in here, but in keeping with the theme of the movie, I thought the Griswolds would be perfect. Now I also cut out the words Florida from the map and thought I would glue that on top of the picture. Now using these poster stickers, I printed out the word vacation and put it on the bottom. I was missing a T, however, so I had to kind of makeshift that, but I think it turned out pretty good. My lovely photo was put together. I put the glass back on the frame, and now I have a lovely memento of the Griswold family vacation. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now my second DIY also involved using some maps, but this time for some decoupage. I had this wooden home sign already from the Dollar Tree, and it had little hangers on it, and I used the rest of my Florida map and some ModPodge. And I also printed out, using Google Maps, the actual route that the Griswolds took from their home in Chicago, Illinois to Los Angeles, California. So I always thought that no matter how far you travel, no matter where you roam, the best part of vacation is always arriving home. So I thought that I would cover this home sign with the map and then add it to the framed map of their vacation. And again, this was funny for the movie, but you could also do this for your own family vacations. And there's also lots of different things you can do with old maps. You can decoupage furniture with them, you can cover up potted plants, almost anything that you could Mod Podge, you can use your maps to commemorate your special vacation memories. So I used my Mod Podge to cover up the front of my home sign and stuck it on the map and let it dry. I placed this box of heavy magnets on it to flatten it out and help it to dry more smoothly. Drying, I took this Dollar Tree canvas and my new screwdrivers that I actually got for Mother's Day and pried off the staples and took the canvas off of the frame. Next, I took this antique wax from FolkArt and a foam brush and applied it to the frame and then let it dry, and it made a lovely walnut color. Once my home sign was stuck down to my map, I just cut off all the excess map pieces just so I had less to cover with the Mod Podge, and then put another coat of Mod Podge over the top and let it dry completely. While that was drying, I took the canvas that I had cut off and flipped it over so the nice side was facing up, and then I glued it back onto the canvas so that I had something to put my map on. And I trimmed my map down a little bit, and then I had also printed out the number of miles that they traveled that was printed out on Google Maps, because I thought that was an epic cross-country tour, and I just put that on top as a little memento. So there you go, DIY number 2 with the home sign and the map, and then the little memento of the miles they traveled to visit Wally World. Hopefully you liked my movie-themed DIY, and make sure that you check out everyone else's in the playlist by following the hashtag National Lampoon Vacation Summer Movie Challenge. So please check out the description box below for all the rules to join my June Summer Movie Challenge. Hope you participate, and don't forget June the 4th is Elvis in Blue Hawaii. And no matter how your summer may unfold, I hope you enjoy your holiday road. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living. And just a reminder for this June Summer Movie Challenge that your DIY or art project must be in the theme of the movie, and you need to explain in your video how that theme is reflected. You must be subscribed to my channel and mention the collaboration and playlist in your video. You should also link my channel in your description box. Please upload your video at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the day of the movie. You can do one or as many as you like. For people to find your video, you need to put the correct hashtag in your title, and I will list those in the description box below. I also give a shout out to everyone who participates. So here is the lineup. These movies are going to be on Wednesdays and Fridays. So June the 2nd is National Lampoons Vacation with Chevy Chase. June the 4th is Blue Hawaii with Elvis. June the 9th is The Great Outdoors with John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. June 11th is Grease with Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta. June 16th is Splash with Tom Hanks and Daryl Hannah. June 18th is Point Break with Patrick Swayze and Keanu Reeves. June 23rd is Summer Rental with John Candy. And finally, June 25th with Jaws and Roy Scheider. I hope you join in the summer fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.